Bread is merely flour and water, yet global cultures have turned these base elements into an infinite variety of life. It has existed since Neolithic times, recognized as one of the earliest human-made foods. We are listing 22 distinct loaves: the baguette, ciabatta, brioche, challah, sourdough, pain de campagne, rye, pumpernickel, pita, lavash, naan, paratha, focaccia, injera, tortilla, arepa, damper, bannock, soda bread, matzah, mantou, and the crumpet, to see how geography, chemistry, and tradition define the perfect bite. We begin in Europe with the baguette. This iconic loaf relies on a specific ratio of wheat flour, water, salt, and yeast to create a distinct balance of texture. Its long, thin shape and crusty exterior are the hallmarks of its structure. Contrast this with the ciabatta, a bread known for its rustic simplicity. Unlike the baguette, this loaf features an incredibly porous, open crumb. It incorporates olive oil to achieve a signature chewiness that makes it perfect for dipping. Not all breads prioritize a light, airy crumb. Brioche breaks the rules of simple sustenance to offer a richer mouthfeel. By introducing high levels of butter and eggs, bakers create a dense, tender crumb that feels almost like pastry. Similarly, the challah uses eggs and oil to achieve a golden structure. When braided, it becomes a centerpiece. It proves that enrichment changes the very physics of the dough. Bread reaches its complex zenith through time. Sourdough uses wild lactobacilli rather than commercial yeast to create a probiotic-rich flavor. This slow process creates a distinct, tangy flavor profile. You see this same commitment to depth in the pain de campagne. Often called country bread, it blends wheat with rye or whole grains for a heartier profile. It is a rustic testament to the power of natural fermentation. Cold climates demand denser grains. Rye bread varies in color based on the rye-to-wheat ratio, providing a robust nutrient profile compared to white flour alone. Nothing captures this better than pumpernickel. Pumpernickel is a dense, slightly sweet rye bread that is traditionally slow-baked for up to 24 hours. It is a masterclass in patience and grain integrity. Flatbreads rely on rapid expansion. The pita is a marvel of heat management designed for clean utility. By baking at extreme temperatures, the water inside turns to steam instantly. This creates the iconic hollow pocket. Lavash takes a different path, rolled thin and cooked in a clay oven to achieve a pliable form. It becomes soft, supple, and essential to regional meals. In South Asia, the heat source is the main ingredient. The naan is slapped against the walls of a scorching tandoor for a smoky finish. Brushed with ghee, it gains a charred, aromatic flavor. Then we have the paratha, which offers an indulgent mouthfeel. This unleavened flatbread is layered with fat and pan-fried. The result is a flaky, buttery texture that defines artisan design. Focaccia is the ultimate blank canvas, demonstrating a method to infuse flavor into a simple dough. It highlights how salt, olive oil, and herbs elevate a basic dough into a masterpiece. The dimples created by the baker's fingers are not just for aesthetics. They act as wells for oil to pool, crisping the bottom as it bakes. In Ethiopia and Eritrea, bread is a tool as much as food. Injera is crafted from teff, an ancient grain that provides complex nutrition. This fermented flatbread has a unique spongy surface. It is designed to act as a scoop for stews, absorbing flavors while maintaining its structural integrity. In the Americas, nixtamization changed everything. By soaking corn in an alkaline solution, indigenous cultures unlocked massive nutritional value, creating a digestible bread. This process produces the tortilla. It is thin and flexible. The arepa is a thicker, maize-based patty, providing a filling experience. Often grilled, it is a powerhouse of flavor and sustenance. True ingenuity requires nothing but fire. Damper was the staple of stockmen, relying on baking soda for a fast rise over hot coals. Bannock shares this DNA, serving as a resilient option for travel. It can be made with various grains or plant starches. It is the purest form of bread, human effort meeting raw nature. Soda bread skips the yeast, providing a solution for rapid baking. Instead, it relies on the chemical reaction between buttermilk and bicarbonate of soda. This creates gas bubbles instantly, resulting in a dense, hearty crumb. It is efficient, reliable, and fundamentally different from a slow-risen loaf. Matzah is a link to the past, representing a meditative approach to essential sustenance. Because it is specifically prepared without leavening agents, it represents the absolute base of bread. It is crisp, neutral, and carries immense historical weight. Mantou shows us that baking isn't the only way to cook dough, offering a softer texture through steaming. Steaming keeps the crumbs soft, fluffy, and snow-white. It is a neutral companion to any dish. Alternatively, the UK crumpet uses yeast to create extreme porosity for a high butter absorption ratio. The griddle-cooked surface acts as a sponge specifically engineered to hold melted butter. Why is local grain the secret to greatness? It is about matching the moisture content and enzymatic activity of your specific region to your leavening agent. You don't need to master all 22 loaves to be a great baker. Choose one technique, like a high-hydration sourdough, and perfect it. Understanding the chemistry behind the crust is how you elevate your bread from good to extraordinary. The skilled baker is the one who understands why the chemistry works. At Better Food, we believe the best ingredient is always knowledge.